Hello all. In this video, we are going to explore the keypair.fromSeed method. We have done the keypair.generate method, which generates a random keypair, but we would want to generate a keypair more deterministically using seed phrase, which is pretty common in the popular wallets like Backpack or Phantom, Solana, Solflare, Metaplex. So we shall explore how those methods work, and for that we'll need to install a few packages, two of them particularly. So you can see them here: yarn add BIP39 and ed25519-hd/key. So we shall do that, and let me minimize this one, and let's just get to the code. Let's do our standard imports. This is our standard key pair, and we install the two packages. We'll import from there as BIP39 from BIP39 and import derive paths from ed25519-hd-key, and I'll be adding a constant here now called path. This points to the Solana blockchain. So when we use this path for generation of a key pair using seed phrases, it is generated to be compatible with the Solana blockchain. So here it goes. M-44-501 dash 0 dash 0. Yeah, so this is how it looks. You can deep dive into it in Solana docs. This video is going to be more high level, so we'll just get the code working, and then we shall see how it does what it does, maybe in the next video. So we use BIP39, and it provides us a generate mnemonic method, which generates a 12-word seed phrase. So it's just a string of 12 words, and then the method that works goes as follows. You can just follow along in this video, and we shall deep dive into how the things work underneath in the next video. This is going to be a short one. So we are going to use another method provided by BIP39. It's called mnemonic to seed. So in the last constant, we generated the mnemonic, and now we are going to convert the mnemonic into our desired form. So this is the seed phrase, that is the set of 12 words in a string format. Now we take the mnemonic and convert it into seed, that is, we convert it into bytes, and then we do a toString dot hex. So it's bytes in hex format. Now we do a derive seed phrase key, and this uses the derive path method that we just imported, and it takes two inputs. Let me just hover over it. It expects two inputs, and one is the path here, as you can see, other is the seed, and the other are optional, so we will just leave them. So the path is going to be path, which we have defined, and the other one is going to be seed phrase byte, and that is hex. We'll just hover over here and we'll do a control click. You can see here the path is a path and the seed is a hex So that is why we converted it into a hex. And this value, the derived seed phrase key, is going to return two things. So it returns a chain code and a key. So we'll just keep the key, which is essential for us, and the chain code is not really necessary. So const so we are almost there. Keypair dot, we know from secret key, today we are going to use from seed, and this derived seed from phase key goes into this, and this does the job. So let's console log a few things. Let's console log our seed phrase first. Seed phrase, and let's console log the key pair that we just generated. Don't need that. Let's just do it this way. And yeah, okay. Let's just do it again. Let's just, yeah, we'll just console log it. Running the program, we do get a key pair, and we also get a seed phrase. Let's see, it's 100 battles da da da, and it's 12 words, as you can see. And we get a key pair. The public key starts with 80 and ends with 239. The private key starts with 226, ends with 239. So all good, nothing new. Let's run it again. We get a new key pair, a new seed phrase this time, and a new public key. So this simple code does the job of generating key pair using seed phrases. The use of this method is that in case you could save this seed phrase, you could deterministically use this seed phrase, and if you can send that to this method, then it's going to give you this same key pair. And as popular wallets use seed phrases, people can note down their seed phrases, and in case they forget their key pair, they could use the seed phrase to generate their key pair and log in into their wallet and access that. So we'll be exploring how this thing works in the following two videos. As you can see, I'll just show you a glimpse. This is the same code with a little more console logging and seeing how things work underneath. And here we are also going to save the mnemonics or the seed phrase to our file system, and we are then going to read, and we are going to see how deterministically getting a particular seed phrase gives us deterministic unchanging key pairs. So that's all for this video. Thank you.